take a short video of my 1957 Ford Skyliner retractable hardtop with my bumper lift of 1.5 inches and my package tray extension, which is magnetic and comes off. It's not completely glued together yet, but it'll be in two pieces, a left and a right, which shortens the look of the trunk and increases the look of the package tray and interior, which gives it more of a Sunliner proportions, which is a little more streamlined look. Still, a picture doesn't do it really justice how much nicer it looks, so I thought I'd try a video. It might still not in 3 dimensions, but you can see it eliminates that really a square, big, boxy look. It's amazing the difference that minor changes like that can make. You see the deck lid looks smaller with the package tray like that. You can see how I did that. Kind of like an extension. Not really possible to practical anyway. Since this section is removable, to make this blue, which would kind of, hide it. But it's still, that's fine. It looks cool. It's not supposed to look necessarily factory looking, but it does increase the length of the interior, or as the look of it, and decrease the length of the look of the trunk lid or deck lid. So anyway, I think it's a big improvement. If I had another one parked next to it, certainly if it was a white one without the bumper being raised on it, and also the chrome strip that helps out, that's for when the car has a style tone where the side is, let's say, red and the trunk is white, and that would be red underneath here. That helps out a little bit also on it. But anyway, so that's I think it looks a lot more sleek. Too bad I don't have another one next to it where you could really compare.